Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical and Fun. Today we are here to see the step-by-step registration process for TCS and certification course, which is completely free and which is provided by TCS company. So many of the students are not getting how to register for that and how to start with this. That okay. So please follow me. I'll show you the entire registration process step by step. Okay. So any of the students can do it. Doesn't matter if science students, commerce students, math students, anything. Any of the students can access it. Okay. So go to the Google and type in the URL section as learning.tcsinhub.in. Okay, and hit the link. Okay, I'll leave this link in the descriptions as well. So you'll be having this interface. Okay, go down, there will be one option. This is the course. Okay, lockdown then knockdown. During this lockdown period they have provided lockdown and knockdown. Okay, so these are the also courses which is provided by TCS and which is actually free. So what you have to do is you have to click the subscribe now. Okay, and there will be one interface. Okay, login here. If you have login ID, then login here, password here. Otherwise sign up. Okay, you will be having this so many options. Fill the names. This will be mentioned on the certificate, so be careful about that. Okay, and fill the email ID, password, confirm password, mobile number, and if you are minor, yes, otherwise no, and hit this button where you will be having privacy note. Click the OK, and after this go down and fill this captcha, set all those things. Fill this captcha. After that click the sign up button and it will ask about the after this process it will ask your state, from which state you are. That's it, nothing more than that. So close this. I have already logged created, so I'll just log in here. You can log in here, or otherwise you will be having, when you will open this link, you will be having this login option. So click there and provide the login ID. Okay, so hit the login button. So you will get this interface. Okay, they'll ask about, are you sure want to subscribe the product, confirm. Okay, again close it. So already subscribed, because I have already subscribed. So you will be having this interface. Okay, or otherwise you will see like this. Okay, and if you go down, you will see like this is already subscribed. Okay, and after subscription, and if you have not still subscribed, click the subscribe button. One more subscribe button will be here, so click the subscribe button. After that it will be like this, and you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes to active this course. Okay, so wait for that, and after that go to this options and my dashboard. Okay, here the options will be there. These options will be there. Okay, so hit this area. Again two options will be there: course and batches and communities. So communities, like if you have any query related with the product, like courses and all, you have to, if you have any query like certification, if you have not able to download the certificate, all those things, this is the communities part. This is the course part, where you are going to see the content part. Will be having options. Okay, so if it has not if it will not be like active course now, so at that time it will show like you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes like that. Otherwise you'll see like this. After launch, after activation of the course, you will see like this. Okay, so one launch button will be there. This course is started on 10th April 2020 and it's going to end on 9th June 2020. So I have already completed it, so it's showing like 100%. In in your case it will be like 0% and it will be white. Okay, you will be having one launch button. Click the launch button. You will see one more interface. So you will have this interface. I have already done all those things, so it has green. So first read the instruction part. Here it will mention all those instructions. Please follow this instruction. Okay, after that start with this. So after each of the lessons you will be having one assignment test. In that 10 questions will be there and 4 will be the passing marks. Okay, so and you will be having 20 attempts. If you are not able to clear in first attempt, you can like easily go for the second attempt as well. Okay, so here the content, what are the contents you are going to learn in day 1. Okay, so actually and one more introduction video will be there. After this is the basic content, like where they'll teach all those things. Okay, I'll show you. This will be the introduction videos. One person will come and he'll explain about the course. Okay, after this course, what you have to do is, after seeing that video, you have to hit this button. Okay, and it will show you like, are you sure want to complete it? Yes. Okay, so you have to click this button and close this. And would you like to return the page last vision? No, so it will active from when. So after finishing this, this link will be active. You have to click this button. So like that only you have to finish all those things till the day 10. You will be having assignments after completion of each days. You will be having assignment till day 10. Day 11, day 12, day 13 and day 14 will not be having any assignment. And day 15 assignments will be there. In that assignment, they'll take the portions from this also, day 1, day 2, day 3, all those day 1 to day 14 assignments questions they'll mention. And you will be having just 3 attempts in day 15, and you can't access this assignment at the beginning without completion all those parts. Okay, so you will be having 30 questions in that assignment, and you will be having just 3 attempts. And in 30 sorry, not 30 questions, you will be having 30 marks of question. Okay, so you have to get at least 18 marks to clear that. And if you are getting 18 plus, okay, so then you can get the certificate. Okay, so after that you have to fill this feedback form. After filling the feedback form, you'll hit this button. After completion of each and every day, you have to finish this to click this button to go forward. Okay, so after feedback, you will get your you will get like for the subscription. When you hit this button, you will see like subscription after this you will not able to see the assignment questions and all. So you will see like you will click like yes, I don't want to see afterwards. Okay, so after that you will get the digital certification. Your certifications will be like this. I'll show you which type of certification you will get. Here is the details about the course. If you want to see the details, you can go for that. Okay, we'll see the certifications will be like this. Wait, I'll zoom it. Internet is very slow. Okay, so this type of certification you will get. You will see the names will be here, and this is the course name, Knock Down the Lockdown. And this is the parts you will see like what are the things you have learned in that topic. So this will be the topic contents. Okay, so this type of certificate you will get, and you can easily refer with mention your certification things on your resume, all those things. So basically this is the actually course. Okay, so at the last I just want to say that if you find that this video is useful for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and click the notification bell. Okay, after that, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.